The executive committee meeting of DMK has concluded, and there you have the Deputy Chief Minister Udinidhi Stalin, who was also present along with the Chief Minister MK Stalin over here. And in this executive committee meeting, 12 resolutions were passed, and interestingly, the first resolution was against the Home Minister, claiming that DMK's executive committee condemns the Home Minister. These are the MPs and MLAs and other senior leaders of DMK who have gathered over here. And the first resolution stated that DMK executive committee condemns the Home Minister's speech and claiming that that particular comment was against Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution, and called it derogatory, and said that post which, when the DMK MPs and opposition MPs were holding protests inside the parliament, BJP went ahead and conducted drama inside and outside the parliament. These are the lines from the first resolution of the 12 resolutions that were passed in DMK's executive committee meeting that occurred today. There were 11 other resolutions. One important one was against the One Nation, One Election, and another resolution was demanding that the union government should provide the relief fund that is close to 9,000 crores that is required to repair the damages caused by Cyclone Fengal, and also stating that the fishermen who have been arrested by the Sri Lankan Navy and also the boats that were seized, that should be released, and the Kachatiwa that is in the hands of Sri Lanka right now must also be retrieved. These are the resolution over here that was passed. And the Chief Minister MK Stalin was also present at the executive committee. Here he is actually one of the important aspects after the first resolution was condemning the Home Minister. Amit Shah is also the another resolution was about One Nation, One Election. DMK has been strongly against it and has claimed that it is actually anti-federal, anti-constitution, and says that it will usurp the rights of the states, and that's the reason DMK condemns this particular One Nation, One Election. And he has also said that the BJP government should call off One Nation, One Election. That is Chief Minister MK Stalin, who after finishing the executive committee meeting, where also politically a stage has been taken, that one of the resolution also mentioned that DMK should win more than 200 seats. It was also claimed by Deputy Chief Minister Udinidhi Stalin. The protest against Home Minister Amit Shah is going to continue.
It is continuing nationally. Definitely people are going to... Now Parliament is closed, so we cannot...
What will be the next step, ma'am, with this protest?
Political parties and people are protesting all over the nation. I'm sure it is going to continue, and DMK has taken a very strong stand, and our Chief Minister and party leader, Mr. Stalin, has given a statement, condemning what he said about Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So it's not acceptable. He has to apologize.
This is the executive committee meeting that has been held in DMK headquarters in Chennai. Divyan, Pramod Madhav for Indie Today.